Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be taking a look at the Logitech G Extreme 3D Pro Precision Flight Stick. Now, this is the front side of the packaging where we can see a little diagram of the Extreme 3D Pro. On the left-hand side, we've got a profile view, but most of that is obscured by this little sticker, which has the manufacturer's contact information. Flipping over to the other side, we've got a little list of all things that you can find inside the box. We'll be unboxing this, so you'll get a good idea of everything inside. And aside from that, once you want to start setting up the device with your PC, you also got a list of requirements over here. So ensure that you satiate all of these requirements. Then on the back side, you've got a nice infographic stating the different control options on the controller. So you've got an 8-way hat switch on the top, rapid fire trigger on the front, comfortable hand grip, 12 programmable buttons on the left hand side, and this entire stick can actually twist to give you rudder control. And lastly, the base happens to be weighted. So that's it for everything on the packaging. Why don't we go ahead and unbox this? On the inside, we can see that the cardboard packaging was designed in such a manner so that the flight stick is not disturbed or damaged and is placed with plenty of leeway to move about. Once we extract the flight stick, all you have inside is a little bit of literature, which happens to be the setup guide. Behind the setup guide, we also found a little safety, compliance, and warranty information booklet. Always go through that. And we would obviously advise you to go through the setup guide in totality to understand exactly how to set the device up. It's quite simple because most of it is plug and play. Then we've got the flight stick. It's quite comfortable. As we had seen on the rear side of the packaging, you've got a twist action that allows you to give rudder control. And obviously, you can move the joystick to and fro, to the sides, to give you full 360-degree control. And this is the hat switch, which doubles up as trim in quite a lot of flight sims. You've got one button on the side for your thumb. The entire array at the top is also activated by the thumb, and a button array on the left-hand side. On the bottom, you've got a little analog twist knob. You can use this for thrust in flight sims. And then there's the weighted base, which weighs, let's say, north of 600 grams quite easily. There's nothing on the bottom, and we can see that the device uses a USB 2.0 interface to connect with your PC. That's it for this quick look at the Logitech G Extreme 3D Pro Precision Flight Stick. Thank you for watching.